Hello and welcome. We're going to start the process of understanding all of the vendor functions. And if you already have an account in WarriorPlus, you're going to want to go to the vendor menu. And when you go to this first link, you'll be looking at the dashboard. The vendor dashboard will give you sales statistics for the day, for 7 days, and for 30 days. It'll also give you statistics on any recurring income that you have generated that month. It will also allow you to look at any of the affiliates that you have requesting your products and those that you have approved. This is the same as the affiliate dashboard also if you were selling products as an affiliate. If you click the More tab, this will take you to the statistics and they'll be based on specific periods of time. So for example, if you were to look at your statistics for either the last month or the last 30 days, you'll be able to self-select for that information. And then what WarriorPlus will do is it will show you the number of visitors, the number of sales, the conversion rate, and then all of the statistical information for your sales. And you can go as far back as all time for all of your information. You can click on the More tab for your recurring payments. And you'll notice that it will bring you to this vendor statistical area, and you will also be able to see any recurring payments that you have, and you'll be able to go back over the same period of time. If you click on the More Information tab for your affiliates, that will take you to your affiliate area. And when you're getting information about your affiliates, this is not for the products that you are promoting. This is for the individuals that have requested to promote your products. You'll be able to see them and have them separated as to whether they have an affiliate request pending or whether you have already approved them and have made them affiliates by clicking this tab. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.